The discovery of another possible Earth-like planet is grabbing worldwide attention today. It's true, scientists have previously said they believe there are other planets outside our solar system that resemble Earth in size and may have liquid water, but this latest finding is the closest planet yet found. Yes, it's 4.2 light-years from Earth, just a mere 25 trillion miles away, but travel there may be possible by the end of the century. Some exciting news now because scientists say they found a planet orbiting the closest star outside our solar system, and they say Proxima b, which is about 4.2 light-years away, is a rocky globe that could have enough surface water to support life. This is the nearest planet that potentially can have life and can, in a sense, be similar to our own planet. We have found the terrestrial planet orbiting Proxima Centauri. It is the nearest exoplanet we will ever find because it's the nearest star to the Sun, and we are very excited about it. Scientists looking for life on other planets like to talk about the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. And now, NASA has found a planet that's right in that zone. That's what makes scientists believe that the potential is there, and it's very exciting because in the catalogs of planets that we now have, this is the first time we've had an Earth-like planet in the habitable zone of a Sun-like star. The planet is called Proxima b, circling a small star called Proxima Centauri, as shown in this animation. It's thought to be about 1.3 times the mass of Earth, probably rocky like Earth, and possibly warm enough for liquid water. It is tidally locked, which means there is a light side always and a dark side always. So, I suppose the real estate on the light side might be better. I don't know, if you're a night owl, maybe you want to go to the other side. It's very close to its star, but the star itself is a brown dwarf. It's a pretty wimpy star, and so it can be closer and be in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone. That's the just right zone where the temperatures are just right for water to exist in liquid form. And here's the thing to remember. Wherever we look on this planet, no matter where we go, deep down in the ocean, in acid springs, in Yellowstone, if there's liquid water, we find life. Scientists have discovered an Earth-like planet that's not too far away. It's the closest planet to our solar system and the most important discovery in more than 20 years, as it could be able to sustain life. Astronomers have just made an unexpected discovery on the dark side of Proxima Centauri b, a side that has never seen the light of its star. For years, we believed this side was nothing more than a cold, lifeless shadow, but recent observations are revealing something different. Something faint, yet unmistakably out of place, is coming from the darkness. Emissions from Proxima Centauri b's dark side. Scientists peer into the darkness of Proxima Centauri b, and something unexpected is becoming clear. Emissions are coming from the dark side, faint but distinct signals that could be unlike anything we've seen before. These emissions could take many forms, such as artificial light, heat, radiation, or other types of electromagnetic radiation like infrared. These signals are different from natural starlight. They have a unique signature, something that marks them as man-made or a product of a sophisticated system. Unlike the constant glow of a distant star, these emissions can be detected using powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. JWST is designed to spot infrared radiation, exactly the kind of faint energy that might be escaping Proxima Centauri b's dark side. What if those emissions aren't just from light but hint at something even more intriguing on Proxima Centauri b? Could these signals tell us a story we've yet to uncover? One that points to a hidden civilization or a mystery much deeper than we could have imagined. The faint emissions from Proxima Centauri b's dark side could be more than just signs of energy use. They might be a key to understanding the planet's inhabitants, if any. If these emissions are artificial, they could indicate a technologically advanced civilization. The specific patterns of light and heat could reveal the type of technology in use, the scale of energy production, and even hint at the social structures of the planet. Imagine the way Earth city lights tell the story of our political boundaries and social conditions. A densely lit city reflects economic power and political priorities, while dimly lit areas might indicate poverty or lack of infrastructure. Similarly, emissions from Proxima Centauri b could reveal an entire civilization's values and priorities through their energy use. Could the dark side of Proxima Centauri b reveal more than just city lights? What if it shows us an alien society in action, how they govern, their technological advancements, or even their struggles? These faint signals may offer us our first glimpse into an entirely different way of life, light years away. Tidal locking profoundly impacts the emissions on Proxima Centauri b. Since the planet is tidally locked, one side always faces its star, while the other remains in complete darkness. This means that the dark side of the planet, unlike Earth's night cycle, never sees sunlight. It remains in constant shadow and, as a result, becomes extremely cold and inhospitable without a source of heat or light. Given the perpetual darkness and extreme cold, artificial lights would likely be essential for any life that exists there. These lights would not only provide warmth but also illumination, making the dark side habitable. Without these artificial energy sources, the dark side would be too cold and dark to support life as we know it. The unchanging nature of tidal locking creates a consistent pattern on the dark side. This could mean that the emissions detected from the dark side would be steady and predictable. In fact, astronomers might be able to detect these artificial emissions, revealing how much energy is being used to sustain life on that side of the planet. Future telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and the proposed LUVOIR are designed to detect incredibly faint emission signals that could reveal the existence of extraterrestrial life. These advanced instruments are equipped with technologies that allow them to capture narrow bands of light, particularly in the infrared spectrum, which is critical for identifying artificial emissions. We are on the verge of discovering not only new planets but also potentially signs of intelligent civilizations. The technology behind JWST and LUVOIR could help us spot a civilization on a distant world just by detecting a pattern of light unlike anything we've ever seen before. But there's more to it. What kind of technology would be required to create these artificial lights on Proxima Centauri b? The implications of this discovery go far beyond just detecting emissions. They could reveal the technology that allows life to thrive in an otherwise inhospitable environment, making the dark side of Proxima be habitable. The very existence of these lights could suggest that Proxima Centauri b's inhabitants have mastered technologies that, to us, might seem like science fiction. While emissions from the dark side of Proxima Centauri b have been detected, the challenges in fully understanding or analyzing them are significant. However, advancements in telescope technology are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With these breakthroughs, we'll not only answer questions about the planet's habitability but also open the door to exploring what could be an entirely new chapter in our search for extraterrestrial life. The future of space exploration is exciting, and with each advancement, we get closer to discovering whether we are truly alone in the universe. These discoveries will change everything we know about the cosmos, and we're standing on the edge of something monumental.